Hey guys, today we're gonna do more binary tree problems, and for this one, it's called diameter of a binary tree, and basically we just want to get the longest length of the child. So yeah. So first we need like a global variable, and it can just be called result, and we can initialize it as 0. And next we're gonna create a DFS function. So def of DFS. And it's gonna take in a root or a node in this case, or a node. It's gonna take a node but root in this case, or the root in this case. Then we want to check if it's not a node basically, then we can just return 0. Then we want to get the left and the right child, so we just do left equal DFS root dot left, and right equal DFS of root dot right. Then we want to update this variable, the global variable, so self dot res equal the max of the current number over the left plus right, like that. Then we want to return 1 plus the max of the left and the right. We're gonna choose which one, the left or the right, that's the longest. We do plus 1 because each time, like, we increase the length by 1. So then we just want to call that function onto our node, or our root in this case. Then after that, we can just return the global variable of our result, and it's going to give us the longest length. Yeah, just like that.